Economic development and prosperity is the dream of every nation. In post-independent India, the pace of development has been multifolded to meet the increasing demands of the overwhelming population by undertaking a series of development projects. However, the execution of development projects perpetuates involuntary resettlement, which in turn leads to adverse impacts on those whose land and other assets are acquired in the process. In order to address these adverse impacts arising out of execution of development projects, resettlement planning is done in order to minimize such risks and to ensure that the affected people at least regain their pre-project standard of living. It is through proper resettlement planning that various efforts to bring a better life for affected people and local people can achieve. So the resettlement of affected persons and rehabilitation of their lost assets and livelihood are critical and yet imperative social development exercises of infrastructure development projects. The model of the development has emerged over recent decades, namely people-centered development puts people and other well-being at the center of the development. However, in reality, this model sounds simple, but it is actually far from being so in practice. There are many complex issues affecting the implementation of any social development strategy, like political barrier, the economic barrier, faith in capital-intensive large-scale industrialization, and neglect of agriculture and rural areas. There is no doubt that people-centered development is consistent with the values and goals of social work. A significant contribution of social work practice is its ability to span many levels of development, but to be effective, social workers would need to have a very well formulated understanding of this area of their intervention. The purpose of the purpose of social work intervention is to promote human and community well-being. Social workers, through their interventions, assist people to address their needs and issues. The degree to which social work interventions are effective is determined by the degree to which client goals and outcomes are achieved. When goals and outcomes are achieved as demonstrated by the results of the work done between the social worker and client, the interventions used are then recognized as effective. Social work interventions range from primarily person-focused psychological processes to involvement in social policy. Planning and development. Although the holistic focus on social work is universal, but the priorities of social work practice will vary as per the changing conditions from time to time. Social work intervention in the preparation of a RP cannot be of any specific type, but it has to be of a generalist type and or of an integrated approach type. Social work is known for its integrated view, which focuses on persons in the context of their physical and social environments. Social work skills are often deployed to good effect in collaborative work with other professionals, either in ongoing multidisciplinary teams or in ad hoc joint work around the needs of persons in need. Social worker has the skills to promote the participation of socially excluded groups, to manage the integrated service delivery systems. The delivery occurs partly because utilization of knowledge and skills is a contested activity in social work and also due to the complex situations faced by those using the service confronting multiple operations on a daily basis.